Hey, it's Doug with Backcountry Pilgrim, and today I am outside getting ready to try out some exercise with the Sportneer weighted vest. In a previous video, I talked about using a rucking pack to increase your exercise capability, and now I'm going to try something a little different. This is a weighted vest. It actually uses little sandbags all the way around it for a nice centered weight, and that allows you to get more out of your workouts. So I'm going to talk to you a little bit about weighted vests in general and then the Sportneer in particular, and we'll see what we think. I am a big fan of the Rucking backpack. However, for people who are not used to carrying weight on their backs, a weighted vest might be a better option. For those who favor body weight exercises over going to the gym, a weighted vest is basically increasing gravity and therefore increasing your load. The nice thing about it is that you can just put it on like a shirt or a jacket and continue to do exercise movements you are familiar with, but at a higher rate of intensity. In other words, wearing a weighted vest doesn't change how you exercise, it just changes how hard it is. The extra load of a weighted vest increases stress on bones and tendons, encouraging density and resilience. For longer-term movement exercises such as walking or lunges, you are also increasing the mass of your body, which requires higher energy, even at the same pace. Because a weighted vest adds weight all the way around your body, it is helpful for improved posture and core engagement, helping your body to stabilize itself. The more even load around your body increases vertical pressure and compression on the spine, which is pretty good for it, and helps to avoid spine shear, which is when uneven weight is placed at different places on the spine, which could cause the discs to slide. Another benefit of the weighted vest over the ruck pack is that it offers safer progression. You can incrementally scale your difficulty by changing out small 2-pound sandbag weights instead of dealing with ruck plates, which are often 10 pounds different. Weighted vests can be a safe addition to your workout as long as you avoid twisting or high-impact exercises, but instead stick to things like walking, squats, lunges, step-ups, etc. The weight vest by Sportneer that they sent me is adjustable and comes with a variety of weights when you first purchase it. Coming in the form of small sandbags, you can get 4 in the front and 5 in the back, and this makes it very easy to make small-scale changes to the vest. Because this was my first weighted vest, I went with the smaller size, which can take the load up to 18 pounds. But for more advanced exercise, you can get the 2 to 40 pound version. I really liked the way the vest goes on. It has a front zipper, which allows you to easily take it on and off, and it has both adjustable shoulder and waist straps, which makes it fit kind of like a really robust day pack. Both the shoulder and waist straps adjust with heavy-duty Velcro, backed up by nylon straps. The fabric is a premium neoprene, which is both durable and skin-friendly. It will also absorb your sweat, which makes the easy cleaning feature of this vest very welcome. If you're using the vest at night, you have front and back reflective strips, and all of this comes together to make the Sportneer weighted vest a very versatile training tool. Note that the vest does not have any additional pockets, so if you're going to be out for a long jog or walk and you want to bring a phone, water bottle, or any snacks along with you, they're going to have to go in a pocket. I personally found the vest to be very comfortable. In fact, I even liked putting it on at work, which in combination with my standing desk allowed me to get some nice core exercise going even while I was working. The vest comes in a variety of colors, and at the time of this video runs $89.99. If you are interested in picking up a Sportneer weighted vest, they're pretty easy to search for on Amazon, or you can just use the link in the video description below. That helps the channel out at no extra cost to you. Alright, I hope this has been an informative video to you. Be sure to check out my video on the ruck pack as well. If this has helped you out, would you mind giving the video a like and subscribe to Backcountry Pilgrim if you are into hiking, camping, backpacking, and the gear that goes with it. Until next time, I'm Doug. Thanks for watching.